In our last video, we covered what Fibonacci retracements are, how to use them, and the underlying concept behind it. So in this video, we'll be talking about Fibonacci extensions. What is the difference between Fibonacci extensions and Fibonacci retracements? Well, Fibonacci extensions show where the price will go following a retracement, whereas Fibonacci retracement levels measure the pullback within a trend. It's important to understand why we use Fibonacci extensions. We use Fibonacci extensions to identify areas where we should take profit using the Fibonacci levels, as you can see here. Using Fibonacci extensions in an uptrend. First, you would identify the swing low, then you would identify the swing high, and then you would identify a retracement where you're looking to buy. So what you do next is you click the swing low, you click the swing high, then you click on the retracement, and the software you're using should pull up something like this. In this example, we clicked along the line of the retracement so you can see clearer what we are talking about. Okay, so you've bought here. What do? Each of these different Fibonacci levels provide opportunities to take profit. However, some more so than others, because you can see here that there's resistance here. So this would provide an opportunity to take some profit. There is no resistance at this 38.2% level, so you wouldn't take profit here. There's no resistance at the 50% level, so you wouldn't take profit here. But there's more resistance at the 61.8% level, so you would take profit here. We can also use Fibonacci extensions in a downtrend. And we can do this by identifying the swing high. We use the one up here. Identifying the swing low, we use the one here. And then identifying the retracement, we use this one here. So what you now do is you click on the swing high, you click on the swing low, and then you click on the retracement. And then your software would pull up something like this. However, in this example, like the last example, we clicked along the line here. The levels will still be the same, but it's just clearer to understand what we're doing to illustrate our point. So as you can see here, we would sell here, and at these levels, we would consider taking profit. Price breaks through almost all of these levels without stopping, so we wouldn't consider taking profit until this level right here. So this would be a good opportunity to take profit as it's almost at a support level. And as you can see, the price then breaks through, going down, and stops at this level here, the 1.618 level, or 161.8% level. The problem with using Fibonacci extension levels is determining which swing high to start from. As in this example, we use this swing high. However, if you looked further back in time, you could have chosen maybe a higher point. So to get better at deciding which swing high to start from or which swing low to start from, if you're looking at an uptrend, I would say practice, because the more you practice, the better your skill would be when using it. Also, you don't know which exact Fibonacci extension level will provide the support, because any of these levels may or may not act as support or resistance. So to improve the probability of exiting at the best possible time, I would advise drawing support and resistance levels. In a downtrend, we would try to find support. And we've looked back, and this is a good support level. It has been tested two times. And so drawing the support level here, we can clearly see that it lines up with the 161.8% level, or 1.618. So as there will be more people buying off this level, we would know that it's more likely to become self-fulfilling, that it will bounce back off. So I would say that this is a good opportunity to take profit. Another way to increase the likelihood of exiting at the best possible time when using Fibonacci extensions is using Japanese candlesticks as well. Because as you can see on this chart, we can see that price broke through all these levels, is slowed down here, showing consolidation, providing an area where we can take profit before resuming its fall. And so we could have taken some profit here and then let the trade run, as it then broke through this Fibonacci level here and then carried on down. At this level here we can see a very long hammer, a hammer Japanese candlestick pattern, and from there we can note that a bullish reversal will soon happen. So we will take our profit right here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You should now be able to trade using both Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci extensions. Please do like and subscribe. And if you want to be successful, surround yourself with motivated people.